In this video, I will show you how to edit like Ariana Grande's black and white Instagram filter. All you need is your phone and the free Lightroom mobile app. Here's an example photo, before and after, using this filter. If you would like to download this Lightroom filter for free, read the description below this video on how to download the file. The file is password protected, so please read the instructions in the description on how to download the file correctly. So let's start editing. First, let's import a photo to edit. Now in the light section, bring the exposure down to -0.15. And contrast to +75. Decrease the highlights to -30. And shadows to +20. Decrease the blacks to -40. Now, go to curve, and follow these steps to create your curve like this. Now, go to color section. And decrease the saturation to all the way down to -100. Then, go to the effects section. Decrease the texture to -45. And increase the clarity to +10. Then, set the grade to +65. Size to +15. And roughness to +40. And that's it. We are done. Now, let's save this preset and apply to other photos. If you want to download this preset for free, read the steps in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.